Hello and welcome back. Today I have another classic meter. It's like that, and it is in a kind of a metal box. And I found this in my local eBay, and it is a voltage and amp meter, and it is as a pair, so 2 meters together. And it's from a nice seller. He even sent me a little letter, and it said there is a feet missing, so I sent you an extra feet so you can glue it underneath. Well, let's have a closer look. Oh, here it is. It is in, I think it's aluminium, but it is sort of a cast, I think. So I'm not sure. It is not very light. It's even kind of heavy, but it is not that heavy that I think it's a metal cast. So it must be sort of aluminium, but it is really thick. I'm not sure if the original color is black, but it does seem to be because the inside is. And if you can see, it is two big meters. Let's have a closer look from it. Yeah, here is a look from the top. You can see there are two really big clamps here. This is for the 125 amps. Here we have 25 amps, and this is 5 amp. And here we have the voltage. This one can go up to 225, this one to 450. And well, I don't see a real brand. This is just, I think, like a serial number. I think it's instrument and then the number that follows. But on the meters, I do see CDC in the bottom here. So maybe I can find something what that is. Here it says CDC. The rest I don't see, but it could be the manufacturer of the meters. And as you see, this one has fallen a little bit to the back. I think that is with the shipping because I didn't see it on the pictures. You see it dropped a little bit to the back. There are 4 screws here, so maybe I can open. And then we found out on the inside what is the brand. And yeah, maybe even how old it is. It does have backlight, so I would say after the 50s. We can see it is old. And but the box still closes. And yeah, it is, in a sense it looks, oh look, you can even carry it. Yeah, the meter came loose during shipping. Here is the feet that is missing. Well, I could try to do one of these rounds one. It was nice from the seller, but it does look different than the others. So I will try to get 4 of the same. Well, let's see. Hope we can get that meter plate back to the front, that nothing really was broken. And we just clean everything. Okay, the screws are out. Let's have a look. Look at that. Oh, here you can see the shunts. This is the shunt for the 125 amps. And as you can see, they have used, maybe if I zoom in a bit more, here they have cut with a saw. I think they tuned it to take out a little bit of the shunt to get it to the right value. And this is the other shunt for the 25 amps, and then here we have smaller shunts. And this is the voltage right here with the divider and resistors here. And they don't look like they are burnt. And it looks all very nice. And here we have the plate. So I think the screw just fell out, so I should be able to glue that. Well, it's nicely painted also on the inside. Yeah, it does look aluminium, it's not that heavy. But I don't see any brands. There is no marking of what is the brand of this meter. All the weight must have come from this and from this. And the shunt really looks massive. Well, 120 amps is a lot. And they cut it here, they cut it here, cut it here, cut it here. Also cut it in the top here. So they were really tuning it. And also maybe it dissipates this heat a little bit better. Look at that. They're just cutting with the metal saw. And that is how they have tuned it. Wow. Very, very nice. I think even on the resistor, the number of windings are here. So if we zoom in, here, we can see it's 13300 W windings, windingen. Okay, let me just carefully try to open this. So this kind of broke here during the shipping. But I think if I put some glue, that will be fine. And I will just try to open it to clean it. I'm not sure what is the best way to clean it. And this is what it looks like after a good cleaning. You can even see the reflections. That's clean it is. And I'm glad I took the paint off, because now it looks a lot better. So it was actually painted later, but it is an engraving, and the engraving is actually much nicer. Look at this. The meter I was able to fix. Well, that's the meter itself, and let's see if we can now clean the box also to make it look more black. There is a trick. I saw that with the Blaker resistors and with the General Radio, that you actually need to do after it's clean. You need to clean it very carefully, but you could do with WD-40, and then the paint doesn't come off, and it has a nice shine. So first I just try to get the dust off, then I will try the WD-40. It is a bit difficult to see because of the light, but it is again very shiny and you can read the letters very well. Okay, I was just trying to check if it works. So I tried first, I just put it on the mains. So I just first put it on the 450, but it didn't work. So then I put them on the 225, but of course that is too much. But maybe I can do that with my AC source to see if it is good. It's a pity the 450 doesn't work. Maybe the resistor burned. But well, it does look a lot better for sure. Okay, I'm now on my AC power source, putting 110 volt, switching the output on. Okay, and now I can slowly try to increase. Going to 130, 140, 150 on the power source. VZ. Going higher, 60, 170, 180, 190, 200 volts. Exactly on the meter also. Wow, so that is still works good. So that was very nice. A lot of cleaning, and that was the only thing we needed to do. I need to check out why the 450 volts doesn't work, because the windings didn't look burnt. So maybe there is just a little wire loose, and I didn't check carefully when it was open. So I can do that at another time. But this is okay. I don't have any information about this meter, and if you're watching this and you think, oh, I also have one and I have some more information, please let me know, because I only can guess it's around 1950s because of the backlight, and they already did aluminium cast. So yeah, I'm not sure. If you know more, please let me know. For now, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.